Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. Yes, in the previous class we have discussed about the nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. But actually in that 7 types of reactions are there. But in the last class we have discussed only 3 types. One is addition of ammonia, one more is addition of primary and secondary amines, and another third one is nothing but addition of hydroxyl amines. Okay na beta. So what we have seen in the last class, when aldehydes and ketones upon addition with ammonia, they are going to form the products. The products are nothing but the imines, C double bond N compounds. Same thing when aldehydes and ketones are upon addition with primary amines, they goes to be given the compounds, the products are nothing but the substituted imines, and also I have said that Schiff's bases. Next, aldehydes and ketones upon addition with secondary amines, they goes to be forms the product. The products are nothing but the enamines. When aldehydes and ketones upon addition with hydroxyl amine, what is the formula of hydroxyl amine? NH2OH. So it will gives the product is nothing but what beta? Oxanes. So these are the first 3 types of reactions we have seen in the last video class. Now remaining another 4 types of nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions are there that I am going to be finished now. Okay, right. So in that, what is the 4th one? Addition of hydrazine. Addition of hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine beta? NH2 bond NH2, and also we can say that N2H4. N2H4 भी लिख सकते हैं, otherwise we can write that NH2 bond NH2. So what happens when hydrazine was added to aldehydes and ketones? That I am going to show you the products now. Okay, right. So first of all, here I am going to show the statement. It is the property of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones upon addition with hydrazine. Upon addition with what beta? Hydrazine. Addition of hydrazine to aldehyde and ketone. This reaction will be takes place in presence of an acidic medium. And acid should be contain certain fixed pH value, that is equals to pH equals to 3.5. And here you are going to get the final product after elimination of water molecule. The final product is called hydrazone. Very important. Just hydrazine, INE, we have to be converted into ONE. Very easy to you, Nana. So once again statement, aldehydes and ketones on reaction with hydrazine gives hydrazones. This is your answer. Okay, I am going to show you the product first of all. So पहले अपन एक general equation लिखेंगे बेटा. What is the common formula of aldehydes and ketones? Aldehydes and ketones are nothing but the carbonyl compounds. They are having carbonyl functional group. So bond C double bond O. Again we have to write here bond. So this is the common formula of carbonyl functional group, and also we can say that it is the common formula of aldehyde and ketones. It upon reaction with hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? NH2 bonded to NH2. No problem na beta. NN. Okay, now this is called catenation linkage beta. So nitrogen connected to 2 hydrogen, nitrogen connected to 2 hydrogen. So NH2 bond NH2. This is your compound name, and also we can say that what beta? Hydrazine. Yes. Aldehydes and ketones upon addition with hydrazine. Addition of hydrazine takes place in presence of the medium is nothing but acidic medium, and addition of H plus takes place and the pH is nothing but 3.5. And after addition of hydrazine, actually this is which type of reaction? Addition and what Nana? Elimination. Okay, addition of hydrazine. Now elimination will be takes place now. Elimination of water molecule, that is common. So from here we are going to remove the O. From hydrazine we are going to remove the H2. H2 combines with O. It goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Next, what is the product Nana? Condensation product. Carbon contain 2 double bonds. Carbon contain 2 bonds, that we have to be write as it is. After that carbon double bond O is there, but simply we have to be write double bond. O combines with H2 and goes to be eliminated in the form of, that is nothing but water molecule beta. Remaining C double bond N bond NH2. Yes beta. So this is your product name. What is the name of this product? Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. I hope you understand beta. Yes, now I am going to show you the examples. Example A. By taking formaldehyde, by taking acetaldehyde, by taking ketones, all types of aldehydes and ketones, any one example you can write now. So first of all, I am going to show you the formaldehyde. H bonded to C double bond O, it connected to H. So formaldehyde upon reaction with hydrazine, NH2 bond NH2. Otherwise you can write abo-like structure now. NH2 bond NH2. So it upon reaction with what? Hydrazine. Addition of hydrazine takes place in acidic medium. The pH is equals to 3.5. Now, okay, from NH2 we have to remove the H2 and यहाँ से O remove करना पड़ेगा. After the elimination of water molecule, carbon contains 2 hydrogens. Yes, carbon contains 2 hydrogens that I have written as it is. C double bond N bonded to NH2. C double bond N bonded to NH2. This is the formula of hydrazone after the elimination of which molecule beta? Water molecule. Now what is the reactant name? HCHO. The compound name is called formaldehyde. It upon reaction with NH2 bond NH2. What is meant by NH2 bond NH2? So we have to say that what beta? Hydrazine. So formaldehyde on addition with hydrazine gives the product is nothing but hydrazone. But that hydrazone coming from where? Formaldehyde. So we have to say that formaldehyde hydrazine. Sorry, hydrazone beta. Hydrogen should be converted into hydrazone. But that hydrogen coming from where? That one we are preparing for formaldehyde. So we have to say that formaldehyde hydrazone. Okay beta? Right. Another example I am going to give you. Acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to H. CH3 bond CHO. So the name of this compound is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon addition with hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine beta? NH2 bonded to NH2. Addition of hydrazine takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Simply upon arrow mark we have to be read that H plus, and here we require the pH value, that is nothing but 3.5. So at the same pH range that is common in all reaction, don't need to write as you wish now. Okay, upon reaction with what I am saying, hydrazine. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone after the elimination of water molecule. So CH3 bonded to C, abo plane, H atom is there. After that, we are removing oxygen from the acetaldehyde and we are removing H2 from the hydrazine, means elimination of water. So remaining C double bond N bonded to NH2. C double bond N bonded to NH2. So C double bond N bonded to NH2. This is common in all cases. So we can say this is nothing but hydrazone. But that hydrazone coming from where? Acetaldehyde. So we have to say that what beta? Acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. Again along with the elimination of what nana? Water molecule. So similarly in place of CH3 you can write C6H5 means benzaldehyde, and here also C6H5 means benzaldehyde hydrazone. You can write as it is copy paste. Okay, another example I am going to give you by taking ketone, that is nothing but acetone. So what is the formula of acetone beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. The name of this compound is called acetone. Acetone upon addition with hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? NH2 bonded to NH2. Addition of hydrazine takes place in the acidic medium by using same pH concept 3.5 nana. So same thing again, hydrazine formula NH2 bond, NH2, hydrazine was converted into, the product is nothing but hydrazone. Okay, CH3 bond C, again above plane another CH3. After that, we are getting hydrazone, means this form is same. C double bond N, again it bonded to what beta? NH2. C double bond N, N bonded to NH2. So this H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Again, hydrazine converted into hydrazone, but hydrazone coming from acetone. So what is the name of this product? Name of this product is called acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone. Okay guys, so like that nana, not only formaldehyde, all types of aldehydes and all types of ketones upon reaction with hydrazine converted into hydrazones upon elimination of water molecule. Okay, fourth addition is also clear, it is very important. So addition of hydrazine to aldehydes and ketones, it going to be form the product. The product is nothing but what beta? Hydrazones. Yes, fourth one is also cleared. Next one is reaction number 5, that is nothing but the addition of phenyl hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? NH2 bond NH2 beta. Now one of the hydrogen replaced by benzene, NH2 bond NH2 converted into NH2 bond NH, and one of the hydrogen replaced by benzene, means phenyl group. So we have to say that phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. So what happens when phenyl hydrazine was added to aldehydes and ketones? That is the fifth reaction we are going to be discussing now. Yes, better. Addition reaction number 5. Addition of phenyl hydrazine. What is the formula of phenyl hydrazine? NH2 bond NH. Up to now looking like same thing, hydrazine, but one of the hydrogen replaced by phenyl ring. I mean benzene ring, formula C6H5. Otherwise in that place you can write what beta? Benzene, as you wish. Okay, this is the formula of phenyl hydrazine. So what is the formula of phenyl hydrazine? Phenyl means benzene. It was connected to NH bond NH2. This is the formula of phenyl hydrazine. Benzene bonded to NH, NH bonded to NH2. That is nothing but what beta? Phenyl hydrazine. Okay, now I am going to show you the statement. Yes, aldehydes and ketones, they upon addition with phenyl hydrazine, aldehydes and ketones upon addition with what beta? Phenyl hydrazine. Addition of phenyl hydrazine takes place in presence of the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Again by using same pH value, and the pH is nothing but 3.5. and you are going to get the product is nothing but dead easy. Once again, addition of hydrazine gives hydrazones. Addition of phenyl hydrazine gives phenyl hydrazone. Just INE we have to be changed into the ONE. Story was clear now. So phenyl hydrazine converted into the product name is nothing but what beta? Phenyl hydrazone. Like that we have to be right now. Okay. Yeah, I am going to show you the reaction now. So what is the functional group of aldehydes and ketones? Carbonyl functional group. So this is the formula of carbonyl functional group, common for aldehydes and ketones. It upon addition with phenyl hydrazine. First of all, just one thing, Nana. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Okay, now phenyl hydrazine converted into phenyl hydrazone. We can say easily. That is not a big problem. But try to remember first of all, what is the formula of hydrazine? What is the formula of phenyl hydrazine? First of all, you should be very familiar about the reagent formula. Okay, na? Good. So what is the formula of phenyl hydrazine? Hydrazine means NH2 bonded to NH. and hydrazine connected to phenyl group. So simply we can say that here benzene लिख सकते हैं, otherwise you can write C6H5 as you wish. So this is your phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Okay beta, aldehydes and ketones on addition with phenyl hydrazine. It addition takes place in the medium is nothing but acidic medium by using same pH value. It going to be formed, the product is nothing but again same thing, carbon contain 2 bonds. From phenyl hydrazine we have to remove the H2, and from aldehydes and ketones we have to be remove the O. H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of H2O. Remaining we have to be write the condensed product. C double bond N, N bond NH. C double bond N, N bond NH. Now such NH connected to benzene ring. Yes, we have to say that NH connected to phenyl ring, and also we can write here C6H5. What beta? C6H5. So now here the compound name is called phenyl hydrazine, converted into the product name is nothing but phenyl hydrazone. Hydrazine INE converted into the product is nothing but ONE after the elimination of water molecule, that is beta. Okay, now here I am going to write the 2 examples. Okay, now of course all examples we can write. Formaldehyde changes into, okay, the same thing, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetone, but I want to give you 2 examples. If you want you can write all 4 nana. But 2 examples I want to give you, one from aldehyde, one more from acetone. 2 categories, 2 examples. Okay, let me give one example for acetaldehyde. It is a category of acetaldehyde category. So what is the formula of acetaldehyde beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, it connected to H. Means CH3 bond CHO. Name of this compound is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon addition with phenyl hydrazine. What is the formula? NH2, or we can say that H2N. No problem beta, as you wish. NH2 bond NH. Here also same thing, NH2 bond NH. Okay, NH2 bond NH. NH connected to here phenyl ring, and also we can say that benzene ring. In that place, if you want, you can write C6H5 also. So reaction will be takes place here in acidic medium after the elimination of which molecule beta? Water molecule. So how to remove the water molecule? From acetaldehyde we have to remove the oxygen. From phenyl hydrazine we have to remove the H2. So what is the name of this compound? Phenyl hydrazine. And phenyl hydrazine after elimination of water molecule changes into phenyl hydrazone. So product CH3 bond C, it connected to H. Okay, but I have written there. After C, double bond is there. C double bond N, N bonded to NH. C double bond N, N bonded to NH. Again such NH connected to phenyl ring, and also we can say that benzene ring. So यहाँ पर NH connected to what beta? Benzene. So what is the name of this compound? Phenyl hydrazine converted into phenyl hydrazone. But listen carefully, such phenyl hydrazone forming from which compound? Acetaldehyde. So we have to say that acetaldehyde, phenyl hydrazone. What is the name of this product beta? Acetaldehyde, phenyl hydrazone. Okay, similarly in that place of CH3 you can write hydrogen, means formaldehyde. That forms the product is formaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. In the place of CH3 you can write benzene, means that becomes benzaldehyde, and the product is benzaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. Like that all the examples you can consider beta. And one more example I want to give you from ketones category, that is by taking acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3 bonded to C double bond O. Otherwise, as per our comfortment, we are going to be right. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. Above plane is nothing but CH3. So what is the name of this compound? This is nothing but what beta? Acetone. So acetone upon addition with phenyl hydrazine. So what is the formula of phenyl hydrazine? NH2 bond NH, NH2 bond NH, it connected to benzene ring. Otherwise we can write that C6H5 as the Vishnan. So addition of phenyl hydrazine takes place. In the medium is nothing but acidic medium. Again elimination of what will be takes place? Water molecule. From ketones we have to remove the O. From phenyl hydrazine. From what beta? From phenyl hydrazine we are going to remove the H2. So H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. So here upon carbon how many methyl groups are there? 2 methyl groups are there. CH3 bonded to C, in another plane CH3. C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH. And NH connected to phenyl group, and also we can say that C6H5. So that is nothing but what beta? Phenyl hydrazone. But that phenyl hydrazone coming from where? Forming from acetone. So we have to say that compound name is called acetone phenyl hydrazone, like that. Above product is coming from acetaldehyde, so we have to say acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone, and this is from acetone, and the product is nothing but acetone phenyl hydrazone. And sometimes product may be benzaldehyde, then we have to say that benzaldehyde phenyl hydrazone, like that. All 4 to 5 examples we can write now. Okay, but try to remember, first fundamental thing is aldehydes and ketones on reaction with phenyl hydrazine gives phenyl hydrazones. Okay na beta, right? So aldehydes and ketones on reaction with phenyl hydrazine, it going to be formed, the product is nothing but phenyl hydrazones. Yes, so reaction number 5 is also clear now. Next one is addition of 6th property. Yeah. So what is the 6th one? Addition of 2,4 DNPH. Property, addition property में 6th one is addition of 2,4. D indicates di, N indicates nitro, P indicates phenyl, and H for hydrazine. This is your abbreviation of what beta? 2,4-DNPH. So we have to say that addition of 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine, and its short form is nothing but what, Nana? Yes, we have to say that its the short form is known as 2,4-DNPH. D for di, N for nitro, P for phenyl, H for hydrazine. Like that we have to say now. So how does the aldehydes and ketones shows reaction with 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine? Yeah, I'm going to show the statement. Again same thing, it is a property of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones upon reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, and reaction was taking place in the medium is acidic medium. Again here also same pH value beta. The pH is the range of 3.5 beta, and the product is 2,4-dinitrophenyl 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Again same thing, hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Remaining सारे words को यहाँ पर भी copy paste कर देना बेटा. Once again I am going to revise. Aldehydes and ketones upon reaction with 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. And what is the product? Again same thing, 2,4 dinitrophenyl, but just hydrazine converted into hydrazone after the elimination of water molecule. Okay, now just to try to remember the name, hydrazine again converted into hydrazone. But which hydrazine? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine converted into 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone. That is the product, Nana. Sir, what is the formula of 2,4-DNPH? Yes. So NH2 bond NH. This is looking like hydrazine. Upon hydrazine, benzene ring is there. So NH connected carbon is 1, and next carbon is 2, and next carbon is 3, and last carbon is 4. And you see that structure beta, upon benzene 2 nitro groups are there. First nitro NO2 upon second position, another nitro NO2 upon 4 position. That's why I have said that 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay na beta? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine, and hydrazine changes into hydrazone after elimination of water molecule. Now I am going to show you the reaction beta. So common formula for aldehydes and ketone is bond C double bond O bond. Nothing but carbonyl functional group formula common for aldehydes and ketones. It upon addition with 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? Hydrazine formula is NH2 bonded to NH. NH2 bonded to NH. Hydrazine. Hydrazine connected to P. P for phenyl. Yes, I am going to be write that phenyl ring. That P contain dinitro. One nitro upon 2 position, one more nitro upon 4 position. First nitro upon 2 position, one more nitro upon 4 position. I hope you understand this. Okay, what is the name of this reagent? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Hydrazine. So addition of 2,4-DNPH takes place in acidic medium. Again here elimination of water molecule will be takes place. How? Again from aldehydes and ketones we have to remove the oxygen. Such oxygen combines with H2 from 2,4-DNPH, and that H2O we have to be eliminated. Now what will be the product? Carbon contain 2 bonds as it is, and after that C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH. Now NH connected to benzene, okay, NH connected to phenyl ring. In that phenyl ring, second place connected to NO2, and fourth place is also connected to what beta? NO2. Okay na. So aldehydes and ketones on reaction with 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine converted into the product 2,4 dinitrophenyl. What beta? Hydrazine converted into the hydrazone. And try to remember beta, 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. It is nothing but a colored solid, a colored precipitate. Which color precipitate is? We have to say that it is nothing but orange yellow combination, and also simply we can say that a red color solid we have to say that. So orange red or orange yellow or, and also we can say that red color precipitate. Like that information we have to be right now. Okay, good. So now again here I am going to show you 2 examples, one from aldehyde, one more from ketone. Not only 2 examples, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, all you can consider, but from 2 category, 2 different examples I am going to give you. So one from aldehyde, yes, I am going to take that acetaldehyde. CH3 bonded to C double bond O, it connected to H. So what is the name of this compound beta? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. It upon addition with 2,4-DNPH. So I am going to write the formula is NH2 bonded to NH, NH2 bonded to NH, that means hydrazine. Hydrazine connected to phenyl group, so we have to say that what benzene ring, and upon that second place connected to NO2 is I am going to write that second place NO2, and fourth place what NO2. What is the name of this reagent? 2,4 DNP, 2,4 dinitrophenyl, and this is nothing but what beta? Hydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Yes, again same thing. Addition of hydrazine takes place in the medium is acidic medium, again after elimination of water molecule. From here oxygen, from here H2, we have to be eliminate the water molecule. Then what is the final product? CH3 bond C, it connected to H. CH3 bonded to C, it connected to H. After that here double bond connected to N, N bonded to NH. C double bond N, N bonded to NH. And here NH connected to another phenyl ring. Yes, I am going to be read that NH connected to phenyl ring. Upon that phenyl, two nitro groups are there. Is one present upon second place and one more nitro present upon what, Nana? Fourth place. Like that we have to be read the products. So final product is 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine converted into 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone, but that product forming from acetaldehyde. So we have to say that product name is called acetaldehyde 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Like that we have to be write the product now. Okay, all of you, right. Next, another example I am going to give you by taking ketone, that is nothing but acetone. So what is the formula of acetone beta? CH3 bonded to C double bond O, again it connected to CH3. Name of this compound is called acetone. Acetone upon addition with same 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Formula is what beta? NH2 bonded to NH, again NH connected to benzene ring, same like above. Second place nitro group is there, fourth place nitro group is there. So here addition takes place in the medium is acidic medium after the elimination of water molecule. Again from here oxygen, again from here H2. But what is the name of this compound? 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. After the elimination of water molecule, the product is C connected to two side, two methyl groups, and here C double bond N, N bonded to NH, NH connected to phenyl upon 2,4 nitro group is there. So 2 place nitro and 4 place nitro beta. So what is the name of this product? 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine converted into hydrazone, but that zone coming from where? Acetone. So the final product name is acetone 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. So acetaldehyde gives acetaldehyde 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Acetone gives acetone 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. If you want, you can consider benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde gives benzaldehyde 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Like that, all types we can write, Nana. So just to try to remember one point, aldehydes and ketones on reaction with 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine converted into the product is 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Okay, so the final products, they are nothing but the colored solids, colored precipitates. We can say that orange yellow precipitates, and also we can say that red precipitates. So totally 7 types of addition reactions are there out of 7. So 6th one is important with respect to color point of view. So due to formation of colored crystals, 6th reaction is used, this reaction is used for the characterization of aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes and ketones को identification करने के लिए अपन use कर सकते हैं by the formation of orange, yellow और red precipitate. This reagent can be used for the characterization, identification of aldehydes and ketones due to formation of colored crystals. Maybe orange red बोल सकते हैं, orange yellow बोल सकते हैं, and also we can say that red precipitates. Okay, so due to this point of view, this one we are using for the identification point of view, na beta? Yes, so that's why we are saying that 2,4-DNPH, 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. This reagent is known as Brody's reagent. One more question, board exam repeated. What is mean by Brody's reagent? 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. This is called Brody's reagent. What is the use? It is used for the identification of aldehydes and ketones by the formation of colored crystals. Okay, so what is mean by Brody's reagent? That is nothing but 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. And okay beta, what is the use of Brody's reagent? Used for the characterization of aldehydes and ketones by the formation of colored precipitates or colored crystals. Next, and 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine converted into the product is nothing but 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazones. Like that. Okay, all 6 types of addition reactions are cleared. Last and final, that is nothing but the addition of semi-carbazide. Addition of semi-carbazide. Okay, na? And what is the formula of semi-carbazide? It is also looking like same hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? NH2 bond NH2. Here see beta, NH2 bond NH, just one of the hydrogen atom replaced by C double bond of NH2 group. So C double bond of NH2 is extra beta. This is the formula of semi-carbazide. So last one beta, addition of semi-carbazide. What is the formula of semi-carbazide? Same looking like hydrazine. NH2 bond NH, but one of the hydrogen replaced by amide group. What is the formula of amide? C double bond O NH2. C double bond O NH2. So overall this is the formula of semi-carbazide. Yeah. So in nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions, this is the last reaction beta. So question is, how does semi-carbazide is added to aldehydes and ketones? So statement is, directly I am going to show the reaction beta. Aldehydes and ketones, they are having carbonyl functional group. Upon addition with semi-carbazide, what is the formula of semi-carbazide? NH2, and also we can say that H2N. No problem now. And it connected to another NH. Yes, I have written here. And NH connected to amide. The amide formula is nothing but C double bond O NH2. Okay. Aldehydes and ketones upon addition with semi-carbazide. Aldehydes and ketones upon addition with semi-carbazide. Addition of semi-carbazide takes place in presence of the medium is acidic medium. Again here same pH value at 3.5. Now from aldehydes and ketones remove oxygen, and from from semi-carbazide remove the H2 molecule. H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining we have to write the condensed product. Carbon contain 2 bonds. Yes, I have written here. After that, C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH, and NH connected to C double bond O NH2. This group we have to write as it is. So this is your final product which is coming from the semi-carbazide. So semi-carbazide converted into the product semi-carbazone. Hydrazine to hydrazone, phenyl hydrazine to phenyl hydrazone, 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine to 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone, and semi-carbazide to semi-carbazone. Yes, what is the final product here beta? Semi-carbazone. This is your final product in this reaction. Semi-carbazone is also one type of crystalline product, but no more particular color. Simply we have to say that colorless. So statement, aldehydes and ketones on reaction with semi-carbazide gives the product is known as semi-carbazone. So aldehydes and ketones on reaction with semi-carbazide gives the product is nothing but what beta? Semi-carbazone. Fine, right. So here also I want to give you only two examples, one by taking aldehyde, one more from taking ketone. So from aldehyde, let me consider acetaldehyde, CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to H, or simply we can say CH3 bond CHO. What is the name of this compound beta? Acetaldehyde. It upon addition with semicarbazide. What is the formula of semicarbazide? NH2 bonded to NH, again NH bonded to C double bond O NH2. So the name of this compound is called semicarbazide. Yes, addition of semicarbazide takes place in the medium is nothing but what beta? Acidic medium. Again followed by elimination of water molecule will be takes place. So from aldehydes and ketones we have to remove the oxygen, and from semicarbazide we have to remove the H2. But listen carefully. H2 we have to remove the from the, okay, first NH2 na, last NH2 na, that is the question mark. H2 we have to remove from the hydrazine form, not from the amide form. So be careful, this hydrogen only we have to be removed beta. So H2 combines with O goes to be eliminated in the form of H2. Now what will be the final product? CH3 connected to C, above plane H. CH3 bonded to C, above plane H. After that C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH. And NH connected to C double bond O NH2. NH connected to C double bond O NH2. This is your final product. This is known as semicarbazole. So aldehydes and ketones on reaction with semicarbazide gives a semicarbazole. And here acetaldehyde also gives, okay, the semicarbazide changes into semicarbazole, but that semicarbazole coming from acetaldehyde. So the product name is called acetaldehyde semi what beta carbazole. First suppose, okay, na, semicarbazole it may comes from formaldehyde, then you have to say that formaldehyde semicarbazole. In the place of CH3 you can write benzene, that becomes benzaldehyde, so we have to say that benzaldehyde semicarbazole. Semicarbazole form is fixed beta. Next, one more example from ketone, that is nothing but the CH3 bonded to. So from ketone I am going to take evergreen example, that is nothing but what beta? Acetone. So CH3 bonded to C double bond O. Above plane is nothing but we are writing CH3. What is the name of this compound? Acetone. Acetone upon addition with hydrazine means NH2 bonded to NH, NH bonded to C double bond O, C double bond O bonded to NH2. So the name of this compound is called semicarbazide. Okay beta, right. So addition of semicarbazide takes place in presence of the medium is nothing but acidic medium. So from here remove oxygen atom, and from here remove H2. H2 combines with O and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Now what will be the product? Okay, we have to write the condensed product. C connected to two side methyl groups. CH3 bonded to C, above plane is CH3. And यहाँ पर C double bond N bonded to NH. C double bond N bonded to NH. And NH connected to C double bond O NH2, nothing but amide group. NH connected to C double bond O NH2. This is your semicarbazole, but that coming from where? Acetone. So we have to say that the product name is called acetone semicarbazole. Okay beta, so all 7 types of nucleophilic addition reactions are clear. Once again, one short picture. Aldehydes and ketones on addition with ammonia gives amines. On addition with primary amine gives substituted amines, and we can say that Schiff's bases. On addition with secondary amine gives enamines. This is only for objective secondary amine. And next, hydroxyl amine gives oxines, hydrazine gives hydrazones, phenylhydrazine gives phenylhydrazones, 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine gives 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Again same thing, zine to zone beta. And last one is nothing but semicarbazide. It changes into semicarbazole. In all 7 reactions, addition of reagent is there and followed by elimination of water molecule first takes place. Means we have to say that all 7 reactions are called nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. And in elimination reaction here, elimination of water molecule is taking place. Finally, we are getting only one major product, and such products are known as condensed products. And also we have to say that these reactions are known as condensation reactions. Okay, beta? Yes, so this is the final story about the nucleophilic addition and elimination reactions. In next class, we are going to discuss another new property, beta. Okay, so take care and try to make practice. Fair notes perfectly banaiye, beta. Right.